All right, guys, how's everyone doing? So today I will be going over some of the long form updates that are coming to Nichesss in the coming week. So one thing that I want to do here is I want to go over two different use cases. There's going to be a variety of use cases once it's all said and done. But today I want to go over two. So one is poem. So I'm going to write a poem using the long form templates that I'm coming out with, and I'll show you guys how that works. And then the other thing I'm going to do is write a quick first draft of a biography, of a famous person. So yeah, let me jump right into it. So I'm going to copy the poem template. So this is going to write a poem. And basically how the long form, the new long form auto write will work is you have brackets, and then you have variables, and then you have the engine that that piece of text will use. So as you can see here, I want to come up with a poem title, and I want to write 3 verses or stanzas in the poem, and it's going to focus on one topic. So I'm going to try to hit auto write, and what happens is you get an error that the document still has variables in it. So the first thing you need to do is get rid of those variables. And how you get rid of the variables is you click the red variables button, and now I can enter a topic. So let's talk about, being a single mom of 3 kids. So I'm going to hit apply, and so it replaces all the occurrences of topic, and now we're ready to auto write. So again, this is the first draft. Let's see what it comes up with. So let's do it. All right. So we got a title, being a single mom. We got the first verse of the poem. Let's see, being a single mom with 3 kids. Cool. But this doesn't look like a poem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to run it again. So let's run it again. Yeah, that's not that good. But yeah, we can keep on generating. That's the cool thing. We can keep on generating, and we can even tweak this. So we can say, it's hard to be a single mom. We can kill that, and then we can auto write again. Okay, so that looks good. All right, so these markers, are markers that basically let you rerun a command easily if you don't like the output. So I will do that. I'll just delete these because I like the output that came there. This one I like, so I'm gonna do that. Let's see here, my poem is almost done. This is a little strange, but it's I'm not going to change it for the purposes of keeping things short. I'm not going to change it. So there's my first draft of being a single mom poem. One morning, my ex-husband stole my car keys. Yeah, that's pretty funny. But yeah, that's being a single mom. I'm going to save that, being a single mom poem. About being a single mom. Cool, and that's like, yeah, in a couple minutes I have my first draft, and that's pretty exciting. Now, what if we wanted to do the same thing, but we wanted to you have a different topic in this third verse? So this really helps when you're mass producing a lot of content. So again, yeah, so we'll have 2 topics now. again, you could just write what you want here. So let's see if we want to talk about global warming. We get something about global warming there, and the topic would drop from the variables overlay. But the cool thing about topics is it's going to let you, sorry, not topics, but variables, is it's going to let you create lots of the same content quickly, rough drafts, that is. And yeah, we'll probably have like a drop down here of templates, ready-made templates that you can use. So, but I'll get there eventually. But yeah, that's poem. So now, oh yeah, I lost. I really like that poem. I might come back and finish it. So I'm gonna save it. So let's create a new document for the autobiography. So brainstorming autobiography. Here we go over the auto. We are going to talk about the lives of a person. And it's not an autobiography, it's going to be a biography because it's not about me. All right. I'm going to take the biography template and I'm going to paste it here. Let's see here. All right, so in this autobiography, we're going to talk about the person's upbringing using the magic paragraphs engine. We're going to use the wildcard tool to write something that says this person is amazing. Then we're going to say put any kind of text that you want in the middle, and then finish it off with no wonder people love the pronoun of the person. Where the person excels, that's going to be a heading because it doesn't have any brackets. And then we're going to write about the ability to do one thing they do. Then we're going to discuss how that person is great at doing another thing they do. Where the person falls short, that's a heading because it doesn't have any brackets. So we're going to write a paragraph about their bad habits. We're going to write a paragraph about the time where that person disappointed people, what the person will do in the future, talk about what the person has planned in the future, discuss how the world will be a better place after, with that person in it, using the magic paragraph tool. And then we're going to talk about the special ability of that person using the wildcard tool. So again, can't write it because it has variables. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill those variables. All right. So today we're going to write a biography on Kanye West. I tested this and I liked it. It was pretty funny. Person, pronoun him, thing they do one, make beats, rapping. All right. So we're going to apply that, and now we're ready to use auto write. So let's see what we get. It's writing now. All right. Cool. So here's my biography of Kanye West. Let's see. So let's see what the upbringing was. His upbringing was born in Chicago, so separated. Oops. Hold that. Huh. Yeah. So that's not true. She died, but not from a drug overdose. That's AI. It makes up things. Yeah, so this is cool. This came up with this fun fact where he's an amazing rapper, but he's an also incredible producer and fashion designer. So that's cool. Yeah, that's an error. But yeah, so we've got this really long article now, which is 944 words, that kind of flows nice. It's going to take some massaging, but it's a great starting point. And it's a different way to interact with all the tools that exist in Nichesss. As you can see, like Magic Paragraphs is available through like the content plan, so you can click and keep generating paragraphs to string them together, or you can use this and get like a really long article and then like edit it to your liking, you know. So it's a different way to do things. That's cool. But let's see. Let's do a biography of another person now. So again, we plug in that template, and templates will be, there's going to be tons of templates. There's going to be templates for job descriptions, templates for maybe like industry specific. So maybe you have maybe you're a lawyer and I don't know, you need some kind of legal brief or something. Somebody will invent, or who knows, I don't know if I'll make it, but maybe someone else will, a template for those kinds of things. But yeah, it's really cool. It's not only useful for blogs, like, and that's why we've been releasing a lot of tools that are like a little wacky, you know, like the crossword puzzle generator, because there's a lot of different use cases. It's not just writing blog posts. So that's really exciting. But anyways, let's do, so it saved my person from last time. Let's do Beyonce this time, or let's do Barack Obama. No, I don't even know, man. It's so hard. Let's do Beyonce. All right, her. They sing and dance. All right. So it's gonna make the replacements, and then it's going to auto write. So. All right. So here we go. So we've got 900 words about Beyonce. So this talks about her upbringing. And then this is a cool article about why people love her using the wildcard tool. I love the wildcard tool because it's great if you want to force a certain keyword or force a certain style. As you can see in the Kanye example, it started with Kanye's amazing. Something really cool, fun fact about him, and then no wonder people love him or love her, you know. So that's cool. But yeah, as you can see, this is a different way to interact with AI that gives you back articles that are, it's interesting. The content you get back, it's like you like reading it, but then like you want to make edits to it. So it's really, it makes writing really a lot of fun. So I'm looking forward to what you guys create once it launches, and to really get a gauge for the usage to understand what I need to do going forward. All right, so thank you for watching. If you came this far, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the Facebook group.